Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change on the font size in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner you will have these three dots. If you tap on it, it will open the menu bar. Tap on the settings, the last option. And if you scroll down, here you will have the accessibility. Tap on it. And it's turned on, the automatic font sizing. You have to turn it off by tapping on it. If it's gray, then it's turned off. And here you can change on the font size. If you swipe it to the right, then it will be bigger. To the left, it will be smaller. And you can zoom on all websites too if you would like to. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.